Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe and like and comment on my videos. Thank you very much. On today's tutorial, I'll be having a quick tutorial on how to put a pocket, how to sew your pocket to your dress. This is the simplest method of sewing a pocket to your dress. And I have here with me the material we'll be using for the pockets is going to be on fold. Is on fold. Now we are going to measure the pocket. To measure the pocket, the length of the pocket is going to be 9 inches. The length of the pocket is going to be 9 inches. And then the opening where you're going to insert your hand is going to be 7 inches. That is the opening. The opening is going to be 7 inches. 7 inches on top for the opening of the pocket, and it's going to be 9 inches for the length of the pocket. That is the measurement you are going to use for the pocket. The length 9 inches. You go ahead and mark it out. And now I'm going to use my hand. I'm going to use my hand to mark the pocket. Just place your hand on the fabric and go ahead and mark it out. Go ahead and mark it out. Make sure you stop at that 9 inches. At the down part, you give it a little curve. You place your hand. The essence of placing your hand is to make sure that when you sew the pocket, your hand can fit into the pocket. You go ahead and curve it. And this is our pocket, as simple as it should be. You go ahead. The opening we have here is 7 inches, so make sure the opening on your fabric is going to be 7 inches. Where you're going to insert your hand, and the length 9 inches, you go ahead and cut. It's going to be two pockets, one for the lining and one for the main fabric. That is 4 pieces for the 2 pockets. Go ahead and use this to cut the other 2. And now you are going to bring your fabric. You're going to bring your fabric and you're going to measure from your shoulder to the place where you're going to insert the pockets. And I measured 18 inches. Then from that 18 inches, you're going to measure the length of the opening. That is 7 inches. You measure it out. And when fixing the pocket, you're going to fix it from the front. You place it right side facing right side. On one side, you go ahead and pin it down. Then you're going to fix the other side of the pocket. You fix the other side, right side facing right side. That is the first one. Then you go ahead and pin the second one. Right side facing right side. You pin it down. Pin it down following the lines you marked. the 7 inches line that you marked. Go ahead and pin it down. After pinning, make sure you sew it down. You stitch it, sew it down. Then you go ahead and join. Go ahead and join it, starting from the waist. Go ahead and join it round with half an inch. With half an inch, join it, then take it down to your hip. And after sewing, this is what you're going to have. And when you turn it to the right side, this is your pocket. This is what you're going to have. Please, if you have any question, drop in the comment section. Like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.